You've been waking up anxious for so long, you've forgotten it's not normal. You've built a life around managing the 7 a.m. dread. The breathing techniques, the cold water, the meditation app you open before your eyes have even adjusted to the light. What if I told you that feeling isn't psychological? It's chemical. A flood of cortisol your body releases every single morning, designed for a threat that isn't there. And the cure for it isn't more thinking. It's already in your legs. This is your morning cortisol detox walk from Circadian Zen. No effort required. Just breathe, move, and let your body do what it already knows how to do. As you walk right now, make one intentional adjustment to your posture. Lift your eyes from the ground. Soften your gaze and open your peripheral vision to the horizon. Let your arms swing completely loose from your shoulders, not held, not controlled, just pendulums. Take a slow, deliberate breath in through your nose, expanding your belly, not your chest. Hold it at the top for 3, 2, 1. Now let it go with a long, heavy, audible sigh. With every step your feet strike the pavement, you are discharging that chemical alarm system into the earth. For the next 15 minutes, we are not trying to think our way out of stress. We are going to physically walk your cortisol down. Keep your stride steady, unhurried, rhythmic. Your body is an electrical circuit. When you wake up anxious, that energy gets trapped as physical tension in your fascia, your jaw, deep in your hips. It's not imaginary, it's measurable, and it's movable. Let's begin a somatic release. As you take your next step, consciously drop your lower jaw. Leave a small space between your teeth. Release the microtension behind your eyes, that slight squint you didn't even know you were holding. Let your shoulders sink an inch lower, away from your ears. Your brain is constantly scanning your body to see if it is safe. By choosing a relaxed, fluid walking posture, you are sending a biological message straight back to your nervous system. We are safe. We are moving. The threat is over. This is measurable nervous system regulation. You are shifting your internal chemistry from fight or flight into coherence. Feel the rhythmic, predictable contact of your feet against the ground. Left, right, grounded, supported. You don't need to force your mind to be calm. Just let your feet set the tempo and your mind will follow. Let me ask you something. When did you decide that waking up in fight or flight was normal? When did you accept the 7 a.m. dread as just part of being alive? You weren't born this way. Nobody is. Cortisol isn't a character flaw, it's a hormone. One that peaks 30 minutes after you wake up, part of your body's ancient survival architecture. The cortisol awakening response. It evolved to get you out of a cave and scanning for predators. But there are no predators in your bedroom. There's just a phone full of notifications and a mind that learned to treat every morning like an emergency. The confusion you feel isn't weakness. It's biology doing exactly what it was designed to do, in a world it wasn't designed for. But here's what your body also knows. Movement metabolizes cortisol. Rhythmic bilateral movement, like walking, directly signals your vagus nerve to down-regulate the stress response. You cannot think your way out of a chemical flood, but you can walk your way out of it. Every step is a dose of the antidote. Let your breath fall into a natural, easy cadence. The work of regulation is already happening in your body. These next minutes are simply about letting the truth land where the stress used to live. As you continue to move forward, let these words sink directly into your cells. No effort, no repetition required. Just walk, open your awareness, and receive. My nervous system is returning to its natural baseline of safety. Feel that truth settle into your jaw. Let it soften a little more. I am discharging stress from my muscles with every step I take. Your shoulders, your hips, the back of your neck. All of it, releasing into the rhythm of your stride. My body knows exactly how to metabolize and clear this cortisol. It has always known. You don't have to oversee the process, just walk. I am the keeper of my internal climate, not a victim of my morning chemistry. The thermostat is in your hands. It always was. I release the illusion that I am behind. I am exactly where I need to be. There is no race. There never was. There is only this step, and this one, and this one. My breath is deep, my stride is steady, and my mind is becoming clear. Notice how much quieter it's gotten. Your body did that, not willpower, movement. I am moving out of survival mode and stepping into intentional creation. The shift is already complete. Feel the difference between fighting and flowing. I am grounded. I am regulated. I am completely at ease. Carry this. It's yours now. Nobody can take it from you. Take a deep, full breath of morning air. Fill your lungs entirely. Hold it. Feel the space inside your chest that has opened up in the last 10 minutes. Now exhale fully. Clear the air completely from your body. Look around you. Notice the space you are moving through. You are no longer trapped in the narrow, frantic tunnel vision of a morning panic loop. Your vision is wide. Your peripheral awareness is open. Your nervous system is no longer braced for impact. You have physically altered your biology over the last 15 minutes. Not by waiting for the anxiety to pass, not by distracting yourself. You used your physical body, your legs, your breath, your posture to actively reset your brain chemistry. That tightness in your chest this morning, your body was holding a story about urgency, about not being enough, about a day that was already lost before it began. But your body also knows how to let go. It just needed permission. It just needed movement. The bends don't look like wrong turns from up there. They look like the river finding its way. This morning wasn't a setback. It was your nervous system asking to be heard. And you listened. As you finish this walk and head into the rest of your morning, carry this deliberate, unhurried posture with you. If you feel that old tightening return later today, and it might because the world is loud, remember that you own the thermostat. Pause. Lengthen your exhale. Drop your shoulders. Step back into this exact frequency. The peace you feel right now isn't borrowed. It isn't fragile. It's your birthright. You were not born lacking. You were not born behind. You arrived whole, and you arrive whole again right now with every single step. Your morning detox is complete. Your biology has shifted. Your day now moves at your pace. Carry this with you, not as an idea, but as a quiet knowing. If this felt like home, save it. Come back tomorrow morning. The ritual builds. Each time you return, you arrive a little softer, a little less armored. This is how presence becomes a practice. This is your rhythm. This is your space. This is your beginning. This is Circadian Zen.